John Marvick Pascual, John Daniel F. Peralta,
Ay, daan.
Edsel A. Quiteros, award for work immersion with honors. Vince Cesar D. Raposa, with honors. Jerusalem A. Salem, John Ray Q. Taito, Francine F. Villasenor, Claire Annika R. Abraham, with honors. Aliyah Pauline V. Agnes, with honors. Precious Diane June M. Adiseco, with honors. Althea Shaira L. Araque, with honors. Jayan A. Baliwan, Jeneline Rhea A. Vilio, Jean Shaggy S. Aguam, Eliza N. Campos, with honors. Jen Alia A. La Cruz, with honors. Angelica E. Doneza, Joris S. Espanyol, Miyuki Shadine D. Jimena, with honors. Maisel Ann M. Juan, Kimberly D. Love, Anna Gabriel A. Tiba, Andrea Claire D. Manapa, Aileen D. Manaco, with honors. Janus D. Ocampo, with honors. Jeremy P. Oas Castro, Outstanding Red Cross Youth, Award for Work Immersion, Award for Outstanding Performance in Communication Arts, with high honors. Hannah Lynn Y. Palau, with honors. Stephanie Grace N. Philip, Villa, Florida. Kimmy B. Rebamba, with honors. Micah Hazel D. Reyes, with honors. Celeste R. Ruari, Division Level Senior High School Category 14 First Aid Basic Life Support CPR Olympics Champion, Outstanding Red Cross Youth, with high honors. Daisy Rose A. Rojas, with honors.
Ganda ng lakad.
Ernie E. Rojas, with honors. Ricolin May A. Rubio, Award for Work Immersion, with honors.
Yes.
Aliyah Lorraine N. Vargas, with high honors. I call on the next presenter, Ma'am Jelan de la Cruz, to present the graduates of 12 STEM UNIT.